Anybody else you think is not open?
Yes or no?
Listen,
Poloo,
have you ever
Poloo,
seen anybody?
Yes
have you
no?
ever seen Nadia Buhari advertising for a bank before?
So because Nadia
Yeah, so don't say because I expose myself. Bank cannot work with me. Bank can still work with me if they want to work with me, but not because I expose myself.
Ebusiafo Akuapem Poloo wedwa ensem bi akoso wo interview bi a ekoso wo Kofi TV between ono presenter bi a ababa we bi pa ono de otai hu se enwa Kofi atuma wonwani e wo Kofi TV ta ye interviews bi no na nka eba emba gro ho asem a otai di ho atwetwe pa na oka me de me pepe ma oti se me pese ni se otai di ho agro pa opedie ho asem ka. Nande o interview Akuapem Poloo. And I do interview no I say ama Akuapem Poloo say no wedwa pa wedwa. Na twana wedwa ni na say present the interview no and wo bisa na say mami ebia I can be your friend. Metuma your downfall. Na ebia ambassadorial deal be anabeba ana contract bi beba na bia bank fo na de beba nanso me ye wa downfo na wo ye Akuapem Poloo no e bia me ma ye mfa sa deal ne nya de e ma wo Akuapem Poloo adentia because wo no wo ye ma downfo do ba bia Ghana fo no ehu ne se wo Akuapem Poloo no abamu a senia wa branding wo social media no aite wo yi wo ho itie bia sankeba inku products attire product things that is going to clothing and cosmetics there ebia nka woni ehia because of how our wired wa brand when Akuapem Poloo say debi sa asem ne de and ye wo perception ti and ebe ye wo say bank for ehia onu Akuapem Poloo for the bank ambassadorial deal no na wo sa hwemu kra na Akuapem Poloo koso kra ka say da ben ne wo say na dia board po unyi ni ho no bank for a friend ba obe ya advert mo ya den e mo iti Akuapem Poloo say kai da bi perception mo wo fa ne ho no ene na e ma mumu ana wo no presenter ne ye den e make sa statement o eno na ma ye nwa ba Akuapem Poloo ni bon dwe ni mu kra tumu say amana kuma ba wa fat camera sineni abekeka can say no. I said Ghanaians don't know the other side of her. Oh, Ben now nim now be say no. She has some quite good character. Sa character ni eyenika, and she's a cool, quiet girl. But won't say a juma no me and this are one of those things. But say no tin obi beka say obi mani nya bank adverter. Debbie, oyi ni huninti dabi a perception because say eyo no and obi jina bank be product so. And a bema bank ni benye ska. Why not? Bank ni enkodwen so yi no because enya nwi no ebia because Akuapem Poloo eye celebrity ni and bema obi akra koye den akọ save e wo sa bank ho no. And no sa to aso kra ka say aden oye brand ambassador kra edima itel akwam UG kra wo so. Na no eye cosmetic company ana. Or say a brand ambassador edima other suitable companies are any cosmetic. Ana a clothing staff bia na no do they look up to your body na nsana ana phone e beto ndi se ehwe obi ne ken nsasa ne ato phone no nti ye nua ba no na akoma ndwu ne yemu kra ai na ahwe from me catch you say esanse ye de asem na ba ne ye pese ohun say den na me pa kire no ma ye nkohwe video ne ye den embra ye ba. That's how it was.
Young fun day we are the best of friends.
Yeah.
I mean now.
Yes.
Na bank be a contacting.
Yeah.
That they want somebody to be the face of the bank.
Yeah.
You may be my friend.
Yeah.
But I won't choose you.
You won't choose me because of your perception about me.
No.
Yes, it's because of your perception about me.
I won't choose you, remember?
Yeah.
I won't choose you to advertise for a bank.
Yeah.
Because of Mosima who brand no.
Yeah. Send me brand in it.
But then
say
bia obi bohun there. Oton body products.
Yeah.
Oton be a sex toys.
I have never even advertised.
No, remember,
for that.
remember. Man kada advertise.
Yeah.
So be ba dam na so kado pobi.
Yeah.
Ma wa advertise them in your man.
Yeah.
I would say Poloo is the person to go.
All right.
Why? Because on your Instagram page,
Yeah.
in as much as like you're saying, you're a very cool person,
Yeah.
under normal circumstance,
Yeah.
kata
Yeah.
nazi.
Yeah.
But then, majority of the people who know you, wonyim that side of you.
Yeah.
Wonyim the Poloo who is always half naked.
Okay.
Wonyim the Poloo who is shaking her buttocks.
Okay.
Wonyim Poloo who has put her small breast
Do you
in
know
her hands.
I'm a brand influencer
Remember.
for Itel mobile phone?
Remember.
Do you know that?
Remember.
Do you know that?
Remember, you're a kasako.
No, do you know that?
You're a kasako.
No, but
You're a kasako.
I know, but do you know that?
Kasanko.
I'm a brand influencer for hair.
I know.
So
remember.
That is why I said it's
Poloo.
your perception about me. That is why you never tell.
Have you ever been approached by a bank to advertise a product?
Oh, a bank. Why are you first, talking about a bank?
No, maybe
what other person? Why a bank?
Have you ever gotten a bank?
Has
yes
anybody else you think is not open?
Yes or no?
Listen,
Poloo,
have you ever seen
is a
anybody?
yes or
Have you
no?
ever seen Nadia Buhari advertising for a bank before?
So because Nadia
Yeah,
is not advertising
no.
for
So
you,
don't say because I expose myself. Bank cannot work with me. Bank can still work with me if they want to work with me, but not because I expose myself. Point of correction. That is what I want you to know, because I'm a brand influencer for Itel Mobile and it's mobile phone. It's not exposing body. And Kwame Eugene is on it. That is what I want you to know. Yes, so if you want to work with Poloo and you know what you want and you know she can talk about what you want her to do for you well, because I'm loud. I will come and advertise for a bank and I will not expose myself. But I will expose myself when I'm talking about skincare product, because they have to see the outcome of the product. That is it. Yes.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Sisiala.
Yo, ahwefo so on video ni ye nua Akuapem Poloo. Ha, wadwa. Utumu se video no ni anje ho se adan na ye man Ghana no ye benya sa perception no when somebody is fit for some job. Do you have to look at the caliber of the person in your manyoma and send a woman sa post no? Oh, there be ni anje ho kra. And looking at it, ye nua Gipti Adoye kra recently. Politically, a man post be crank of food drop because once a food drop say, I didn't be money post. I can get political way or tonium, and then on fitisa. No, Ushemwa, a barber, yes and no. When somebody is fit for something, when somebody can give on mix or can help for something to go higher, or better, my boy, and maybe a year. Why don't we consider the person the best option for the deal? Now, I feel no be better. Say because say we nyonko pa na woni menam na say bibi wo me ho na wo beka se bibi na wo me ho ti ade papa bi ba wo be ma na hwere me a ene sebi onye nyonko pa. That perception na wo no, it is kind of evil. I na hwe for me ka kira wo say it is kind of evil no. Akuapem Poloo etwa what you say na me ka kira say I expose you. It's no Ghana and beyond. Na wo comment na wo like na wo share. Me am did me dey bro me dey lemo elikem kwame amagan obetuma frɛ me efokent no dia na jeoso that's day me say nsam le ba e de pepro bye.
Onyadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan e na wasiewie e na wo penchensen papa e de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda